Hare Krishna. So on the auspicious year of 125th anniversary of Srila Prabhupada, let us have this quiz for all of us. The quiz, your well-wisher, the ambassador of devotion. I will 5 questions. Just answer it. Your well-wisher, the ambassador of devotion, 125th Srila Prabhupada's birthday, 1896 to 2021. Memorial of Srila Prabhupada made by his followers. It is made with a golden. The first memorial construction for him by hands of his disciples. Where it is situated? Chicago, America, Vrindavan, India, Mayapur, West Virginia. So it is West Virginia in America. That's a great answer. Srila Prabhupada was born in 1996 in Vrindavan, Kolkata, Mayapur and Kolkata. He was born in Kolkata in 1986. Srila Prabhupada's earlier name was Abhay Charan De. Abhay Charan is almost right, but the Charan De is not there. Abhay Charan's special attraction to deities. When he was a child, he was given by deities by his father. At what age Abhay Charan started worshipping deities and what festival is celebrated? There are 4 Durga Puja, there is 3 Ratha Yatra, there is a 4 Ratha Yatra, there is a 4 Ratha Yatra. At what age did he enter school and what was the school's name? He entered the school, Motilal School, at the age of 8. Abhay Charan graduated from which college? Kolkata University, Jadavpur College, Scottish Church College, Kolkata College, Scottish Church College. This is the Scottish Church College where Srila Prabhupada studied here. We can find Srila Prabhupada rooms also there. Abhay Charan became supporter of whom in his college days, and when he did meet the first his spiritual master was Gandhi's freedom movement. He met the teacher in the year of 1922. What was the name of his spiritual master? Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur Maharaj. What was the instruction given to him by his spiritual master Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur in his first meeting with him? To spread Krishna consciousness in India in English? No. To spread Krishna consciousness in Western language in India? To go ahead with the Gandhi freedom movement? To spread Vedic culture in Western world? To spread Krishna consciousness in the Western world in English language? In which year Abhay Charan became disciples and what was the fortnightly magazine? Abhay Charan disciples and what was in which year Abhay Charan became disciple? In 1933 become and back to Godhead. 1933 he back to Godhead. Abhay Charan took initiation, made his spiritual master instructions his life and soul. What was the name of the group made by Abhay Charan at Johnson? What was the name of the first disciples? The League of Devotees. His name is Acharya Prabhakar. What was the name of the ship by which he went to America and how he got the ticket for it? So name is Jaladuta and he not purchased it, Srimati Maharaja donated it. In what age Srila Prabhupada went to America with practically nothing as his resources? At the age of 69, 70 he went. In voyage in Jaladuta, Srila Prabhupada had suffered to what all problems? No problems? No. He could not celebrate Janmashtami? No. Sea sickness and 2 heart attacks. So he only asset was an umbrella and a truck of books, Srimad Bhagavatam books, and is boarded Jaladuta. Jaladuta arrives in Boston Harbor. And when? November 14, 1966, 1950, September 1965. Where Srila Prabhupada stayed and whose home at America? Better Pennsylvania in Bowery, New York in Bowery, Better Pennsylvania, Gopal Agarwal and Mrs. Sally Agarwal. So these are the photos where Prabhupada stayed in the Better Sally Agarwal in 1980 photos. Where did Srila Prabhupada was the first central ISKCON in the world? New York, Sayar City, New York 27th Avenue, San Francisco, New York and 26th Avenue. Srila Prabhupada preached to hippies in the America first. Srila Prabhupada disciples, 3 couples went to England and Dash become attracted to Krishna consciousness. George Harrison, Peter Scripps. Srila Prabhupada circled 14 times the globe and spread disciples of the Krishna consciousness. When did Srila Prabhupada came back to India with his Western disciples? He came in November 1971, 1972. 1971. As a child, he used to do Rath Yatra. After that, he made it happen. How many cities? Almost 18 cities in the world. 20 cities, sorry. At what time of the day he used to read in books? Many hours before dawn. The Prabhupada dictating his books in the early morning, and many books are written like that. In 1972, he established a dash for printing his books, Bhaktivedanta Book Trust. Even when he was about to leave this world and he was very weak, he continued to dash, and his dash was very clear. He was translating Bhagavatam, Srimad Bhagavatam, and devotional intelligence very clear. When did Srila Prabhupada leave this world to go to the spiritual world? In November 14, 1977. Kartik month. In his lifetime, Srila Prabhupada established hundreds of centers around the world, formed communities, initiated thousands of devotees, and wrote more than how many books? About 60 or 64? 64, no 60. 60 books he wrote. Thank you so much. This is the Glory of Prabhupada and 125th anniversary celebrations. Hare Krishna.